Hello. Welcome to this incredible, exciting EduCare Taiwan's internship webinar today. I am the CEO and the founder of EduCare Taiwan, and I'm so happy that all of you are here with me. Usually, we have very serious university folks and professors in our webinars. But guess what? Today, we are spiced things up. We got three incredible interns who are here to share their mind-blowing experience in Taiwan with you. Yeah. And so today, wherever you are here, I think you are all interested to have internship. Tell me why you are interested to have an internship? Why? To get knowledge, to get the real-time experience, to gain the time experience, some experience, exposure in my field. Okay. Now, but why you want to get experience? Well, I think you might know, well, this experience can make my CV shine brighter and I can get the sweet advantage in the job market, right? Yes, I totally got it. Yeah. But just hold on for a second. We're gonna to make sure those internship experience that they are really a plus point, not the minus point for your career. Let's see, there's a crazy scenario. Imagine you have an internship and you are doing so amazingly good and they offer you a salary. I'm just talking about, so if you, have the, like in this case, you're having the internship in the university and they're offering you admission and they offer you a tuition free and then they offer you every month 1 lakh rupee stipend. Or there's a company say you are doing so good. You are, for example, you are doing Infosys. And you are in the back end, you're doing the back end job, yeah? And they say, we are going to give you 80,000 rupees every month. Please join us. You're so good, yeah? It's like a dream come true, right? But wait, if the dream come true, job, they're gonna to snatch away by the AI in 5 to 10 years, then this offer might not be good offer. No matter how high, the money they are offering you. So before you start having the internship nightmare, please, right now, I'm going to share with you some of the mind-blowing, facts. Last week, the IBM CEO, Arvind Krishna, actually is the Indian right now, actually, yeah. So the IBM actually is pressing the, pause button, I'm hiring position, about 26,000 positions. Because 30% of them going to affect they're going to be the first victim of the AI takeover. Poor administrative support roles are going to be the first feel the heat first, yeah. But wait, there's one more, fact. Goldman Sachs, the #1 investment investment banking firm, they conducted a survey, and guess what they found? AI is eyes on a bunch of other job category. They are like a hungry wolf, eyes on the juicy steak, okay? The AI is going to take, we are talking about 50%. Let me say that again, 50% of the office administrative supporting job, 40% of the law firm job, they will be all gone in 5 to 10 years. That means half of the job in those companies is going to be gone. No matter how good you are, that means 50% of the chance you're going to get fired, right? And not only this, administrative job, the job in construction, engineering, social science, and even financial sector. They are all like AI, they have the site and take over this whole world. Now, You might die to know, how can I save ourselves from the AI invasion? You guys want to know, right? So Lu Qi is the AI superhero from China. And he actually is the highest executive Chinese in Silicon Valley. So he used to be the VP in Yahoo and then Microsoft. So he got 2 golden advice for you today, if you don't want to take over by AI. The first one is, make sure level up your cognitive level. So how are you going to level up your cognitive level? That you have to expand your brilliant brain. Yeah. So definitely you have to dive into the new experience and learn new things with the speed faster than others. If you have the ability to learn the new thing faster than others, this is one of the way that you can escape from AI, actually, because every time when you learn new thing, you know what is the best to fit that situation. Then the AI actually have to get trained. Everything is fixed. It's fixed means that it have the absolute answer. So if you keep learning things, you alter yourself according to the situation. Most likely you will not replaced by AI. Number one. Number two, make sure you become a pro in your field. So don't jump in here and there. When you find one field you think that you can be that you can be passionate, try to make sure that you can specialize it and to be the expert of that. And either, for example, semiconductor. In semiconductor, they have for IC design, for packaging, testing. If you are all in this field and you are expert of that, you will not get replaced by AI, by the way. So why an internship in Taiwan University can help you? So study, when you take the role, study in Taiwan, which that maybe it will be very foreign country for most of you. Yeah, but it can be like a roller coaster. See, if you go to the amusement, what's that? Some like the roller coaster park, you have to pay, right? But in Taiwan, the roller coaster experience, you don't need to get paid. You get excited and you get the good experience. What I want you to guys today to see is that listen to these 3 persons experience in Taiwan and see whether they can open an incredible career opportunity for you. Why Taiwan? Why Taiwan is awesome place for internship? One, you get that today, later, 3 of them are going to share with you. You have the opportunity to learn the world-class technology, which is even not there in India. So you are new. You will be the first few person to learn this new thing. Second, Taiwan is the leading place for semiconductor industry. And it's very important that this semiconductor industry experience, because for the next 20 years, India, Make in India movement is going to make you be part of it's going to have a lot of good job opportunity. And you would have that chance to be part of this big movement if you know semiconductor, them from Taiwan, right? So by the way, today this opening, generally I write the opening by myself. Today this opening actually is aided by AI, okay? So yes, this opening is aided by AI, okay? I hope that does not change that much of what there might be force opening. So AI wave, they are coming. So I think that today you guys pay attention and then see what can you get the opportunity out from this information. Hope after here that people sharing, but the opportunities only belong to those people who take action. I hope that after here they're sharing today that you guys would, one of you, like you will stand up and then take action And I'm sure one of you, after 20, you take action. 20 years later, even the AI have been active in the workplace, you will stay strong. Okay?